Man, what a storm out here. This thing is just firing off. I think I am gonna have to stay here. Yeah, that's insane. Look at the dust blowing. You getting the, yeah, getting... Man, this is wicked. All right. Yeah, we're taking it big time. I wouldn't be surprised if we see power flashes out here. Oh my. Man, it's crazy just riding this thing out like this. I mean, I'm loving it. This is the first time I've been able to do that on foot. I mean, I just hope everyone, oh my gosh, part of the house. I'd say that's about 4 or 5 inches diameter, and that one's probably closer to 6 inches in diameter. Downed right here from this tree.